Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 E350 4MATIC. This one is a steel gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3.5 V6, pushing up 302 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights. This one also comes with the sports package, which is going to give you a lowered sports suspension and sports body styling. 18-inch AMG wheels, the tires are in good condition. A crystal gray seashell interior. Panorama sunroof. Coming on back, got a rear spoiler, our E350 4MATIC badging, power liftgate. Set of clean floor mats, all season floor mats, comfort box, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, a black ash wood trim, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition. This one also comes with the lighting package, which is going to give you full LED headlamps and adaptive high beam assist, a rear view backup camera. Also included in this comes with the lane tracking package, which is going to give you lane keeping assist. We've got navigation, hard keys for our media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This E350 has 74,668 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E350 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.